Hello and welcome to the demo of LabPages plugin. As you can see, LabPages, LabBase Video and LabBase Module are the three plugins installed. Here LabPages is the parent plugin, whereas LabBase Module and LabBase Video are the child plugins. I have activated LabPages. Now I will activate both the child plugins. Okay, now all the three plugins are activated. So let us go to the LabPages module. Here I have selected one column layout, which is by default layout. I can select 2 column, 3 column and 4 column as well, and put corresponding content in the boxes. For the purpose of this video, I'll go with the default 1 column layout. Okay, I have pasted a piece of code over here, and now I'll save this. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll click LabPages Video module, wherein I have already pasted, I have selected 4 column layout and I have pasted some code in all the 4 boxes and I have saved the data. Now let us go to the front end, where you can see as of now this is the front end screen that is displayed before activating any of the plugin. Now since all the 3 plugins are activated and we have already pasted the content inside the boxes, let me just refresh. So now here, as you can see, this is the content outputted from the base module, whereas this is the output from the video module. As you can see here, I have pasted YouTube video on box number 1, that is column number 1, title column number 2, image column number 3 and call to action button in column number 4, which displays over here respectively column number 1, column number 2, column number 3 and CTA column number 4. Suppose if I don't want to display a title and call to action, I can just click this checkbox and save the data. What will happen that now since I have clicked this, it will hide title and CTA. Let us refresh and see what happens on the front end. Okay, now as you can see, there is no title over here, no call to action over here. Similarly, if I am clicking hide this for the image box, it will also hide the image on the right side. So now when I'm refreshing my browser, you can see that now the video has taken the full width of the wrapper. So now what I will do, I'll again go back and unhide this image. Okay, and also this call to action and also this title over here. So now in a way all 4 boxes will be visible basically. Now again when I'm refreshing, you can see that now again video on the left, title on the top, image on the right and CTA call to action at the bottom is displayed. So this is how LabPages video module and LabPages module works. Okay, so now as you can see that the display of the base module is at the top and just below that video module is displayed. I can change the order of the display. Simply click onto LabPages. Here you can see that base module is by default placed at the top and video module is at the bottom just below the base module. So what I'm doing, dragging the video module on the top and dropping it and saving that. This will reorder the display mode. Now when I refresh the browser, video will be displayed at the top, video output from the video module will be displayed at the top, and the output from the base module will be displayed at the bottom. This way, suppose if you have 10 different modules installed, you can reorder them the way you like and just hit save button. This will change the layout on the front end. Now suppose if I want to make a clone of base module, identical replica of the base module. It's very simple. I just have to make changes at two places in the main plugin file. Let me show you how. Okay, as you can see, I have a base module over here. Now I want to create a replica. What I'll do, I'll copy and paste, create a copy of this base module. Now I'll rename this module as Lab Hello World, for example, and I'll copy this folder name. Now I'll go inside this folder, and this is the main plugin file. I'll rename this main plugin file exactly the same way what I have given to the folder name. So it will be labhelloworld.php. Notice that the folder name is lab_hello_world. Sorry. The plugin name, main plugin file name is lab_hello_world.php. Okay, now let me open this into my text editor. As you can see in the header portion, Lab Hello World, I have changed the plugin name from Lab module base module to Lab Hello World. Now in order to create a replica, I have put in the instructions over here. Just need to follow this instruction. To create a clone, do the following. First, change plugin name on the line number 3. This is what we have done already. Okay. For example, old plugin name is plugin name old plugin, new plugin name new plugin. This is what we did. Okay. Now, second point, change class name same as the folder name of the new plugin on the line number 57. So here is the line number 57. What I'm doing, lab base module, I'm changing that to lab hello_world. Make sure that this class name is same, identical to the folder name. Here also I have inserted the instructions so that mistake can be avoided. Sorry. Okay, so lab hello world. So I have given the class name, new class name. Point number 3, change function name same as the folder name. Now just as we have inserted this on the line number 57, I will copy this lab_hello_world, and because this is the plugin folder name. Now I'll go to the line number 166, and what it is written, change the function name as the folder name before the word _action. Please don't remove the word _action, otherwise plugin will break. So now I'm going to line number 166, and here lab base module. Okay, see, I don't have to remove or change the word _action, so I am pasting that for new folder, new plugin name, sorry, new function lab_hello_world just before _action. So now it becomes, this function becomes lab_hello_world_action. action. Again, here the same thing, instructions I have inserted, and you are done. Now I'm saving this file and closing the text editor. Now I have my new plugin ready to install. It's the clone of LabPages module. Okay, now I'll go to my FTP and I'm refreshing here. And onto my server, under plugins folder, I am uploading Lab Hello World plugin. So now my plugin has been uploaded to the server. Again, I'll go back, click on the plugins link. Here I can see that Lab Hello World, my new replica of LabPages module, is installed but not activated. So I'll just hit this activate button to activate it. Now as you can see, my plugin is activated. Same under the LabPages menu, I can see my Lab Hello World as the new plugin sub menu item. I'll click on this, and for example, this time what I'm doing, I'm creating a 4-column layout, and 4-column layout, I'm inserting some text. For example, h1 class equal to text center. This is the default class of Bootstrap that I am using. Column 1, closing h1 tag. Okay, copy, paste, column 2, column 3, column 4, and now I am saving this data. Now when I refresh this, refresh my browser window, here you can see that's column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4 output from my newly created or cloned rather, or replicated, whatever you say, plugin is displayed over here. Again, I want to change the display order. I want to place this new plugin content between the video and base module. So simply I'll click on LabPages, I'll drag this hello world and drop it between base video and base module and hit save, and I'm done. Refresh the browser. Here you are with the new layout. Video module, hello world module, and base module. So we just saw that how this LabPages parent module and the child module works, how their layouts can be, display order can be changed at the front end. At the same time, how we can create a brand new module, cloning the existing module with the click of a button and making the changes in the new plugin file at just couple of places. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.